Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm up with yet another video regarding the off-campus recruitment by two different companies, Wipro and Concentrix. So in this video, we'll be discussing what is the eligible criteria, how to apply for this job, and what is the package details, everything regarding that. So before getting to this video, I would like to make a gentle reminder on the courses that we offer to you. That is data structure and algorithms using Java, and it's handled by Nikhil sir, and it's a live online class, so you'll be getting individual attention. It is a line by line coding and explanation is available to you weekly, 5 days a class, like Monday to Friday basis. And summer training certificate is also available under this package, so it is a certification course, so to have an added advantage too. Now the whole package is available to you at just rupees 349, and for the first 50 registrations. After that there will be price hike to 500. So before this, you just take one among the 50 registrations, and to register you can reach out to our application like Online Study for You. The link will be there in the description box, or else you can search it by Online Study for You, or you can call in 8088452760. Okay, so this is how you have to make the enrollment to the courses that we present. There are so much other courses too, which is professional courses like on so much coding languages, everything, and also like placement training, everything is available to you. So you can make use of this opportunity that we present, and there is so much discounts for the courses that we present. You might have been noticed in the previous video regarding this we have made, so have a look at it. Now let's go on to the video that we was talking about, that is openings in Wipro and Concentrix. So the link to apply for this job will be there in the description box given below. Now, the Wipro is hiring for the open source digital experience pre-sales consultant. So basically, it's having a like average package of 5+ lakh per annum. So this is a good package. You can apply for that. Now, coming to the yes criteria, what they're expecting, requirements from their part is highly motivated and success oriented, driven for result, excellent verbal communication, listening skills, fluency in English, additional language skills are nice to have, previous experience with pre-sales consultancy, technical support in technology space, technical background, IT or software focus, tech savvy person, business understanding, ability to understand customers need, challenges and expectations, work office based in a team. Okay, so since it's a COVID background, you'll be working work from home background. Now, desirable technology knowledges, Liferay and Acquia Drupal. So these are the fields of that technology that you must be knowing. You can go through this. So basically everything regarding Liferay and Drupal is expected by them. So there is no basic qualifications or additional skill they're looking forward for. If you have knowledge in what they're expecting, you can get onto the job. So this is about the Wipro. They have mentioned here previous experience in pre-sales, everything. So if you have attended an internship related to that also, you can apply. Even if you're a fresher, attended an internship, you can apply for that, or any freshers can go for that. Okay, so this is how you have to go for Wipro. So I think eligible criteria is clear, package details is clear, qualification criteria is also clear. Now to apply for this, you have to go to this apply link button, and you can make your registration. As an initial step to application, you have to verify your mail. You have to provide your mail, accept the terms and conditions, and after that you can go to this next button. Okay, so then you will be having a form where you have to fill your personal details, your education details, your experience details, and you have to upload your resume and get submitted with that. So while uploading your resume, be mindful that it will be either in PDF or docs format, because this is generally accepted everywhere, and it's basically should be lesser than 2 MB. So basically I would prefer you to make it as a PDF format, because that PDF and docs is basically accepted widely. Now let's go for the other. I think it's very clear. So moving on to the other, which is Concentrix. So Concentrix have two openings to go with, that is customer support advisor and technical support advisor. So this is two different jobs under two different criteria. So let's look for that. So customer support advisor is the key responsibilities will be handle customer engagement for some of the world's biggest brands, responsible for all customer related inquiries and questions, be a dynamic team player in a fast paced, high energy, changes oriented environment. Okay, now coming to the eligible criteria, 6 months contact center experience preferred, though not mandatory. Okay, that is, if you have a 6 months contact center experience in this, that sense that looking forward for internship experience. Okay, so approximately you have 6 months of probationary period. If you're wondering that will be great, but it is not mandatory. It will be an advantage. Okay, minimum 18 years of old. Minimum qualification is 10th and plus 2. Graduate preferred. Logical problem solving skill and ability to multitask. Exemplary oral and written communication skills. Open to working in the multiple shifts. Proactive with keen attention to detail. Understanding and empathetic towards customers. Okay, so this is all about the customer support advisor. So it is basically a service sector. So I think it's very clear regarding the key responsibility and eligible criteria. Now moving on to the other, which is technical support advisor. So here it is interactive with customers via inbound or outbound calls, chats and emails to resolve routine IT problems like troubleshooting, server operating system environmental, server deployment, redeployment, networking, troubleshooting basics laptop or desktop related queries, troubleshooting issues involving internet connectivity, modems, etc. So coming to the eligibility criteria, they're looking forward for the candidates who have 3+ years of experience in a similar role, minimum 18 years of old, minimum qualification is 10th plus 2 graduate preferred, working knowledge of server operating system environment as server deployment or redeployment, preferably 6 months to 1 year of ICC experience, which is not mandatory, but it will be advantage. Ability to troubleshoot equipment and system problems, a dynamic team player in a fast-paced, high-energy, change-oriented environment, logical problem-solving skills and ability to multitask, excellent oral and written communication skills, open to working in multiple shifts, proactive with keen attention to detail, understanding and empathetic towards customers. So this is technical support advisor. So we have discussed the 2 openings available in Concentrix, that is customer support advisor and technical support advisor. Now, to register for this, you have to give this personal details like name, phone number, email, and location you're applying for and position which you're interested. Among these 2, you can select one and you can click this take the test. So first, as an initial stage, they have a test, which is basically the normal aptitude test that we used to have. So it is based on certain criteria that the company regard to. I mean, the company policy can take the test. The test details will be mailed to you, and after that you can go for that. So this is how you have to apply. This is a simple job which is applicable to everyone irrespective of any graduate, any batch, anything. So you can make use of this too. The average package in Concentrix for the customer support is ranging from 2 lakhs, like 150 to 2 lakhs. Like average, it is 2+ lakhs. Okay, that is approximately 2,80,000, something like that. And coming to the technical support, there's a good package approximately to 3 lakh per annum. So basically for the freshers in the service sector, it's actually a hype amount. The customer, I mean, the eligible criteria is also as mentioned, like 10th, 12th graduate prefer. So diploma, any graduating students can apply for this if these eligible criteria is met in you. It's not based, it is not constricted or it is not confined to the graduation details. Like only this graduated students from this batch, this stream can apply. Anyone can apply if you have the so-called criteria in you. So this is all about the openings in 2 different companies that I present before you today. So if you have any doubts in this, please let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the video that we present before you, you may let us know in the comment section, or you can message in the social media platforms. So that's all about today. So until I come up with another video regarding the off-campus recruitments available in various companies, thank you and have a great day. Stay tuned, online study for you, and everyone stay safe.